Do you find yourself spending too much time sorting through bottles of medication? Has the old process of taking your medicine become a daunting task? Look no further. The solution is here. Zak Pharmacy works with your doctor to ensure all required medication is ordered and filled accurately. Zak Pharmacy pre-sorts, label, and customize your blister packs with daily doses for your convenience. Our modern packaging method makes it easy to manage meds throughout your week. With color-coded dates and times, you will always be on schedule and feel your healthiest. Wondering about transferring your prescription? No worries. The process is simple and seamless. Zak Pharmacy staff are available to assist you with the entire order. Save time and money with Zak Pharmacy. We have become Metro Atlanta's first choice for managing prescriptions. Allow Zak Pharmacy to fill and deliver your medication for free with priority service directly to your home. We are located at 4600 East Ponce de Leon Avenue, Clarkston, Georgia 30021, or call 404-500-1451. Contact us today and experience the difference.